guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to check your Spotify Rapid. I don't have like a premium on Spotify, but I show you into the platform how you can see where you can see that Rapid when the most of the time is in the in the ends of the year. You can see your Spotify Rapid because this is the summary of your music, the music you listening on TikTok. So the first step is go to Spotify, and after that, here in the in the principal page, you maybe have here in that part an option where it said Spotify Rapid, and like depends of the year. For example, this year you got your Spotify Rapid 2024, but in December, where in the end of the year you can see your summary of all the music you consume. In the past for the year, and you have been consumed the music you have been consuming in the year. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content.